Why booking matters. Whether you're in business, buying property, or just managing your own finances. Hi everyone, it's May Reyes, your trusted accountant from Reyes Group Australia. And today I want to talk about something that often gets overlooked, but it's absolutely essentials: bookkeeping. Now, before you tune out thinking, oh May, bookkeeping is just for big businesses with full-time accountants, let me stop you right there. Bookkeeping matters to everyone, whether you're running a business, buying your first property, or just trying to take control of your personal finances. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through why bookkeeping is important, the real risks of ignoring it, how to use it for tax loans and wealth building, and how you can start even if you're not a number person. So let's get into it. What is bookkeeping? Let's start with the basics. Bookkeeping is the process of recording and organizing your financial transactions. Think of it as keeping track of where your money is coming from, or where it's going and what's left. Whether you use software like Xero or QuickBooks, or just a spreadsheet or notebook, it's all bookkeeping. It includes things like income and expenses, receipts and invoices, bank statements, and loan payments. Even things like rent, utilities, and travel costs. The goal to know your numbers, because when you know your numbers, you can make better decisions. Why bookkeeping is crucial for business owners. If you run a business, even a small one, bookkeeping is your financial backbone. Here's why. It helps you track cash flow so you don't run out of money unexpectedly. It gives you compliance with the ATO, no scrambling at tax time. It gives you clarity on what's profitable and what's not. It lets you confidently apply for business loans or grants. And it can help you legally reduce your tax through proper deductions. Let me give you an example. I once had a client who ran a home-based business. They didn't track their car use, phone, or internet properly. At tax time, they missed out on over $8,000 in deductions, all because they didn't have good records. Bookkeeping doesn't just help you file taxes, it helps you keep more of your money. Why it matters when buying property. Now, let's talk about property. If you're planning to buy a home or investment property, good bookkeeping is your secret weapon. Why? Because banks and lenders want to see clear income records, expense breakdowns, bank statements that match your story, and consistency over time. If your finances are messy, it could delay or even block your loan approval. On the other hand, if you can present clean, well-organized financials, you build trust instantly. Even as an employee, tracking your income, savings goals, and spending patterns show you're a disciplined borrower. And if you're an investor, bookkeeping helps with rental income tracking, depreciation claims, interest versus principal separations, and understanding your true cash on cash return. So yes, bookkeeping can literally help you get into property faster and maximize your return from it. Personal bookkeeping equals financial clarity. Even if you're not in business or buying property yet, bookkeeping is still for you. Why? Because it gives you control and confidence. Think about it. Do you know how much you spend each month on food, subscriptions, or transport? Do you know where you could save more? Are you on track to hit your savings or fire goals? Most people feel broke because they don't track where their money goes. But once you start even basic bookkeeping, you feel more in control. You make smarter choice. You feel less financial stress. And you may even discover areas to invest. Use an app like Pocketbook, Money Brilliant, or just Google Sheets. It doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is track it, reflect on it, and adjust. Red flags if you're not doing bookkeeping. Here's what I often see when people avoid bookkeeping. You miss deductions at tax time. You overdraw your account or fall behind on bills. You delay buying a home because your finances are unclear. You feel like you're earning but not growing wealth. You rely on guesses instead of data. And for business owners, this can lead to ATO audits, mismatched deadlines, and unnecessary stress. You don't want to grow in the dark. Bookkeeping is your flashlight. How I can help you? At Reyes Group Australia, bookkeeping is not just data entry. It's a strategy. Whether you need help setting up a bookkeeping system for your business, tracking rental property expenses, understanding your cash flow, or preparing your finances for loan approval, we've got you covered. We use software like Xero, QuickBooks, and even Excel for simpler cases. We offer training if you want to learn it yourself, or we can do it for you so you can focus on what you do best. If you're not sure whether to start, send me a message or direct message the word books, and I'll send you my bookkeeping health check for free. Let's clean it up before tax time hits. Bookkeeping isn't boring, it's powerful. It's the difference between feeling lost and feeling in control. Whether you're a business owner, an aspiring property buyer, or managing your day-to-day life, knowing your numbers will always be a superpower. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. I'm May Reyes, your trusted accountant, here to help you make smarter decisions with your money every step of the way. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and follow me for more tips on business, property, and financial growth. Send me a direct message with the word books to get your free bookkeeping health check. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.